Hello, my dear foodies. Welcome to our friend's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is the most requested recipe on my channel and is going to be a treat to all the biryani lovers. So, here I am with the most popular and delicious chicken dum biryani. Chicken dum biryani involves slow cooking that usually comes in layers of rice and meat cooked with its own steam to perfection. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. First step is the chicken marination. I have taken 600 grams of chicken. Now add lemon juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon coriander powder and some whole spices, 5 to 6 cloves, 2 tej pata or biryani leaf, 4 to 5 elaichi, cardamom, 6 to 7 black peppercorns, half teaspoon shajeera and 2 cinnamon sticks. Now add 1 cup fried onions, 1 cup curd, half cup mint leaf chopped, half cup coriander leaves. Mix them all together. Keep this marinade aside for 2 hours or minimum 1 hour. Next step involves cooking of rice. Take a pan with 3 glasses of water. Add 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon salt, few biryani leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 to 6 cloves, 3 to 4 cardamom, 5 to 6 black peppercorns and half teaspoon shajeera. Once the water starts boiling, add the washed and soaked basmati rice to it. At least 1 hour soaking of basmati rice is required. Keep the flame high and cook the rice with the spices until it is 80% done. Now strain this rice and keep it aside. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon ghee. Now add the marinated chicken. And saute this. Cover the pan with the lid and cook the chicken in medium flame. Remember, don't cook the chicken completely. Cook the chicken until it's half done and switch off the flame. Next most important step is the layering of rice and chicken. Take a deep and heavy bottomed pan or handi. Add about 1 teaspoon ghee. Now add a layer of rice. Sprinkle some fried onions, mint and coriander leaves, saffron milk, half teaspoon ghee, and the chicken on the top of it. Add the layers similarly until the rice and chicken are completed. End up with the rice layer at the top. After we are done with the layering, place a small bowl on the top of the rice. Add hot charcoal and pour some ghee on the top. Cover the vessel with a lid and leave it for 5 minutes to infuse a smoky flavor to the contents inside. Remove the bowl now. Place the lid and seal the edges with the chapati dough, covering all the sides completely. Now place the vessel on stove in medium flame for 10 minutes. Once done, transfer this vessel on the tawa and keep it on low flame for about 30 minutes. So remember, total time is 40 minutes. Once done, remove the sealed part using a knife. And now our yummy chicken dum biryani is ready. To serve gently, scoop out biryani from the bottom so you get layers of rice and meat with all the spices and masalas. Serve hot with raita or mirchi ka salan. I have given the link of mirchi ka salan in the description box. It's a lengthy cooking process, but I have shown an easy way. Once you understand, you can master the art of making this delicious chicken dum biryani at home. So, what are you waiting for? Weekends are the perfect time to prepare and enjoy this wholesome meal with your family. Keep watching my channel and stay tuned for further interesting recipes coming soon. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.